To work Tunisian Crochet Faux Brioche in the round, you first, of course, need to know how to work in the round on a double-ended crochet hook. And then you also need to know just 2 stitches, the Tunisian knit stitch and the Tunisian reverse stitch. And you just repeat that 2-stitch repeat. Tunisian knit stitch, Tunisian reverse stitch. And what the knit stitch does is it brings your main color, which is my gray color here, to the front of the work, and then when you work the reverse stitch, it pops your return pass color, which is your contrasting color. I am using white, so it will pop that color to the front. Now I am sliding to the other end of my hook to start working my return pass. I'm working those loops off of my hook. And now sliding back to the other end and turning to start working the forward pass. So continuing with my 2-stitch repeat of knit stitch and then reverse stitch. Once you work a few rows, you will start to see your little columns of knit stitches in gray with your contrasting color in between.